Hi, my name is Sergey and I'm glad to see you at that course. So let's start our common little trip at Elasticsearch World. First of all, we have to prepare our lab environment. For that purpose, we will use Docker technology. If you're already familiar with Docker, then you may skip all lectures from current section, download Docker Compose configuration file from attachment and bring the whole environment by yourself. If not, then please continue with me. So what is Docker? Docker is a special software that provides operational system level virtualization using containers. Containers are a convenient way of building software libraries and configuration data around it. Docker technology is supported at macOS, Windows and Linux distributions, and we are going to use it to build our Elasticsearch Lab environment. How it works? Please have a look at this slide. At the bottom you can see an infrastructure layer. That can be our PC or remote server or virtual machine. Next we have a running operational system upon it. And then we have a Docker engine layer, that is special software that performs all magic and creates a coding isolation layer. That layer is called container. Container uses the kernel of our operational system and consumes host resources equal memory or CPU, but it is completely isolated from it from network and system processes perspective. To make our life easier, most software companies provide Docker images by themselves. That allow us to create containers using ready templates in a fast and convenient way. And Elasticsearch is not an exception here. We can take an Elastic image from official Docker repository and run it as a separate container. Such container will already get all necessary configuration out of the box. Moreover, we can run 3 different containers using the same Docker image and combine them in a cluster. And I'm going to show you how to do it, but first we have to install Docker by itself. In next lectures I will show you how to install Docker Stack on Ubuntu, Mac and Windows, so choose a lecture that corresponds to your operational system and skip others. After having Docker installed, please go to the next lecture that is called Run Elasticsearch with Docker, where I will show you how to run an Elastic engine locally in a single node or a 3-node mode cluster. Let's install Docker together and see you in the next lecture.